When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write us to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoy this fantastic review. As much as we think we're doing a great job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. So if you're after great service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on your screen. We hope to hear from you soon.